Mousa Dembele starred for Spurs in the North London derby, and some Manchester United fans were even saying he's a player they'd like to see at Old Trafford. Dembele rose to prominence in the Eredivisie with Fulham, then Arizona Alkmaar. His performances weren't going unnoticed, with then Premier League outfit Fulham securing his services for just £5 million. 2 seasons later, he switched Premier League allegiances. Spurs came knocking, snapping him up for £15 million, and he's since become an integral and vital cog in Mauricio Pochettino's setup. Could the 30-year-old wind up at United? Dembele in action for Fulham against United. Image, well, then United manager Sir Alex was impressed with Spurs' addition and even envious of their recruit. According to sources from Goal, Ferguson feels Mousa Dembele, who signed for Spurs for £15 million, will prove to be a bargain and has privately hailed the move as fantastic business for the North London club.